Click subscribe for update video every day.
When Plantronics launched its Backbeat Go 2 wireless in-ear headphones in 2013, followed by the Backbeat Fit in 2014, the company was effectively staking its claim to an audio category few others were going after. And it met with some success. That was then. But in 2016 the game has changed. And so have our expectations, raising the stakes for the Backbeat Go 3. Plantronics' latest pair of wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Affordably priced and simply designed, the Backbeat Go 3 seem like they have the right mix, especially considering the company's historically solid offerings. Unfortunately, we found they fell short in a couple of key areas. You'll find there are two versions of the Backbeat Go 3 out there, and the only difference between the two is that one version includes a storage pouch that doubles as a portable battery charger. The standard version have a $100 list price. The charging pouch edition lists for $130. Otherwise, the two products are exactly the same. Attached to the pouch charger is a short, embedded micro USB cable, though a separate untethered charging cable is also included in the compartment at the top. Since the pouch's battery has its own micro USB port, this cable could be used to charge that up, or charge the earbuds directly from a computer or USB charging port. In addition, there are two extra pairs of silicone ear tips. The third pair are already installed on the headphones, offering small, medium and large sizes out of the box. A quick printed setup manual is included, with full-blown instructions available online through the Plantronics website. Our review unit came in black, and there is a gray model with copper accents as well, being relatively understated on either earbud. The design is basically an iteration of the Backbeat Go 2, albeit a little sleeker. The security wings that attach to each earpiece are also very similarly designed, and are intended to be pliable, yet firm enough to keep them nestled in each ear. It's a balance that is tricky to achieve, and in this case, Plantronics should have gone firmer. Plantronics used a nano coating that can withstand sweat, humidity and rain. The cord attaching the two is a perfect length, with plenty of slack to let hang below the chin or across the back of the neck. There's no real right or wrong way to position them. The inline control and